Hell yeah. New battery. Shit's fucking tiny compared to the shit that I used to run. Fuck yeah. Alright, so we decided to check the fluids before I started, and we have no coolant in her. Engine oil's good color. Well, she's not running, so can't really get the right, but It's all, for being an automatic, it's held up well so far. And, well, you don't really replace a part that's not broken, so unfortunately the automatic stays in her, so oh well. Then we'll find this, put it down there on the spigot, and yeah, gonna have some coolant. Update. So the Focus starts no problem. New batteries, here he gets the job done. Even though it's half the size of the box. Got some brake clean because the valve cover, I don't want to leak. Gives you too big of an expectation. So I'll say that it sweats. It sweats oil off the valve cover, and so the head's all greasy, oily. So when I first started after sitting all winter, she's all smoky. So got a can of smelling colors and see if we can see what purple tastes like. I think this fender, I'm gonna call this one done. I'm just gonna throw some gloss clear on it. I don't have that, so it sits like this for the time being. But yeah, I think it's gonna go well with the bumper. Hell yeah. No, don't go to the keyboard. No keyboard for kitty.
Rare Gracie sighting outside.
Here, you little buddy. Kitty, kitty, kitty cat, kitty cat. Where'd it go?
Not cool. I can't get it.
Do you want to try the hatchet? Just be careful. It's just like Minecraft, babe.
It's gonna take forever.
Just be careful. Yeah, look how clear it is now.
I know.
Isn't that so amazing? Like we can drive through here now again. This is awesome. Cavalier Z28. Don't see those too often anymore. Hell yeah, gets my approval. Wide open trail gets my approval. Puppy gets my approval. I love you. Potato. Kitty! Look at Oscar on the sidewalk. Kitty cat, kitty cat, kitty, kitty, kitty cat. Puppy dog.